All right, how you doing? This is my back scratcher genie. You guys might remember that from New Jersey Outdoor Adventures. Uh, did a video on me on his channel with the van. I just got home from work and I had some packages at the door, and I know they're from SABO. And this is cool. I didn't actually expect this. SABO had already sent me a book, but he's been editing it and re-editing it and changing things around. Don't go anywhere. Stay right there. I'm going to put a little board here to reflect a little light into my face. That's good. All right, so we'll look at this, and then there's a tube here of what looks like posters and other stuff. There was two things I was asking him for, and it looks like he might have crammed a whole bunch of other stuff in here. So let's see. SABO art, right? It's exciting. It's like Christmas. I needed this. I've been in a bleh kind of mood. Oh man, that Memorial Day is no joke with me. It just bums me out. I need to be around people more often, I suppose. People always tell me that. Whenever somebody tells me what I need to do or whatever, my first reaction is no, you're wrong. Don't tell me. Yeah, so here's the book. I've seen this before. Unsavoryagents.com. They're only $100 at this point. And just so SABO knows, there's not that it matters. I think. You know what? I think this is one. He sent me this because it was a little bit dinged up, so he didn't feel like he could sell it to anybody else. So he gave it to me, and that's cool. I did talk to him about having a second version just because I want to keep one with me. Oh, wow. Well, it looks like the images are a little crisper. I want to keep one with me in the van. This way when I'm out and about. This was a poster I had asked him for. He did Trump as Douglas MacArthur, which makes sense. I shall return. It makes perfect sense, right? 45 and then 47. And he's got that whole 1940s vibe going on here, which a lot of my tattoos kind of have that 1940s. I'm looking for me. Because he said that he changed something. I think he changed the layout of it. So bear with me. Just bear with me. This is never more friggin' prevalent than it is right now with this jackass running California. What an idiot. Can't stand this guy. This is one of his better ones. Gruesome Newsome here. You guys should check out this book. This is conservative street art. He was a huge Rush Limbaugh fan, so he did this, and then he started painting these by hand too. And you could buy this Maharishi, the what's he calling this? I think he's calling it the Maharishi version. If you want that poster, if you were a big Rush Limbaugh fan, you can buy that poster and hang it in your house. Go to unsavoryagents.com. This was one of the hits we did together, the Pedo Wood. I was just an assistant on that there. Really cool. And what I love about the fact that he even did this. Did a whole video on this book. I think what I'll do is I'll link it at the end of this video. I'll link this to it. I'm seeing hits I assisted him on. Just want to try to cut through this real quick. But again, so the thing is you don't see conservative street art out there. It happens from time to time. I can't show a lot of this on the screen here. Oh, here it is. Oh, I see what he did. Yeah, he punched it up a little bit. So this is me right here. This is when SABO was supporting Ted Cruz for president for 2016. It was early on. And that's me right up there. We drove that thing around town. We had a bunch of political messaging. And we actually did this in Brentwood. And that was such a fun day. And that was the first thing I ever helped him out with. So great. I could keep one of these in the van now. And because I want one for the apartment that I want to keep nice and save. And then this one here, probably keep in the van. This way, when I'm out and about, I could show people. And he did. He autographed this one. In his other one, he wrote a little nice thing to me. So, thank you, SABO. Now, I don't know, SABO, did you put this on here? This popsicle stick with a rubber band? I've never seen that before. The end of this is kind of open already. So let's see if we can get this open here and not damage anything. See what's in here. Whee! Looks like it took a little damage from shipping. The cap got pushed in. This is exciting. Looks like maybe some stickers in here. Oh, nice. That's going on the van. Patriotism is the new punk. Again, you can get these at unsavoryagents.com. You guys heard the story. This was around the time me and SABO had a little bit of a falling out, you know. it was so funny. But if you guys don't remember, he made these hands, and then it's so funny he put this in here. And I was going up to Santa Cruz. This is a better version. This has like a 3D texture to it. And so they were giant. He did these giant things, and they're just like it's like a circus poster paper sort of thing. You just use like a glue, and you roll glue up, and you put the thing on there, and you roll glue over it, and he showed me how to do all that. And he gave me these things. They're like 4.5 feet, 5 feet tall. And I told him I was going to Santa Cruz to see a friend and do some work, and he asked me to go up there and put these up. And I put a bunch of those giant ones all over Santa Cruz, like, you know, 3 o'clock in the morning. I went around doing that. And by like 8:30, 9 o'clock, the whole city, they were just torn down. And then he got a cease and desist order from Santa Cruz, the skateboard company. Oh, you guys got, this is so cool. Can you check this out? You get it? Because these people with the rainbow flags and everything, they're the true Nazis. They are the true Nazis. So I might actually put this one on the van because it's weird enough to where people won't get it. I'm nervous about putting political stuff on the vehicle because, you know, I live in Los Angeles, and stupid people, right? These are the types of people that are keying Teslas. And they're still doing it, even though there's cameras on it, and they're all over the news doing stupid shit. What else is in here? Can I get all this stuff out of here? He gave me the lizard person wearing the human skin, the Gavin Newsom sticker. That has to go on the van. Thank you, dude. Of course, he's got the unsavory agents. Man, these are all going on the van. Got to find a cool spot for him because the van will be changing. Looks like he got the It sticker. I remember this one. For the bathroom. The gender neutral bathroom. Really, you know what I'm saying. Stare at it for a second. You'll get it. Very funny. All kinds of stuff in here. Oh, man. I don't know if I'm going to get this out of here. Got a little damage, which is a little bit of a bummer. Let's see if we can pull this out of here. I have to open the other end. So now we know it's retard proof because, you know. Okay, let's see here. Can we push it out? Can't push it out. Man, you got to be like a genius. Gee whiz, dude. How do you get this stuff out of here? It's really stuck in there. I don't want to... The hell? Everybody's going, don't do that! Bored yet? Alright. They're just crammed in there real good. I mean, these things are in there tight! Tight, man. There we go. Oh, yeah. I didn't expect these to be this large. So I hear that all the time, you know. I didn't expect it to be that large. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put this on screen. It might be too big. There it is. I got to find a guy to make a frame for this. I think I know a guy. Look at this. Yes. Yes. Very cool. Very cool. So I guess I got to make a frame for that. Oh, dude, he sent me a bunch of cool stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Now I get it. So he put this up the other day. Dude. SABO. So cool. So he did a bunch of like these screen things. This is when we did the Uncivil Democrats. That's my head there. That's me above the word uncivil. This was the Maxine Waters thing. So he's... Oh, dude. Oh, that's me. I'm wearing... The only time I ever wore a mask, that's because I was... this is when we did the hoaxes one. This was a billboard we took over. This was cigarettes. People dying of cigarette smoking. And we put impeachment hoaxes so far this year. And the reason I had the bandana on my face is because his buddy Mater, I drove with him in his car for that hit. Mater's a smoker, and he was just coughing as he was driving. He never covers his mouth when he's driving. I'm like, dude, so I put something on. What else do we got? Ah, oh, dude, so far, so cool, so cool. Oh, look, that's me there too. He got us all up here. He got himself up there, and he got Mater up there, and I'm over the word Polanski, the pedo wood. Very, 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 very cool. We're going to have to put these up in the background here for when I do the Sunday night chat. And then this is the one I wanted because I wanted to put... Oh, there's more. Give me a couple of these, it looks like. So I want to get this kind of in a frame for you guys so this could be in the background the whole time. That's the cover of the book. Looks like he did a smaller version. Very cool. So now I could... maybe I could put this in one of those frames or get another frame, but... I really wanted one of these because I kept propping the book up. You guys noticed I was putting the book up in the background. The problem is it's not good to put a book up like this because the pages are heavy and they sag inside the cover and that wrecks the binding. So Christmas from SABO. Very cool. Thank you, brother. And again, go to www.unsavoryagents.com. And you can buy any of these items for yourself. This one with Trump here as MacArthur is epic. Just so cool. So cool. That's it. You guys have a good day. That cheered me up a little bit. You know what's going to cheer me up next? Dinner. I got to cook some stew. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video here. And be good humans. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.